And counters in. Play hard, go bro.
Letting me on the edge.
Fire. Worship in 3. Leave the shadow. Barrier.
Fire.
Fury. Add spawning.
Fire elemental.
Fire elemental.
Start moving in a sec.
Shadow Lord.
Solid.
Ice block. Why is Wazzy moonwalking?
Fire Lord.
Fire elemental.
Worship in 5.
I had a small DC, but I'm back already.
Okay.
Fury.
Shadow.
Head sink.
Stand in front of a mage. Ooh. Dangerous stuff.
Totems are overrated.
Fire elemental.
Work shift. CC me.
Attack me.
Fester. Kill the ads.
Solid.
Worship in 5.
3. Coming now.
CC.
Good job, mages.
Fire
Fire
elemental.
elemental.
Gizmo, come over, just heal him to be safe.
Stack.
Valta, can I have your innovate?
Head sink.
Add spawning.
Worship in 3 seconds.
Be quick on this worship, guys.
Souls is in.
Fuck.
Take next.
Fire elementals up. Mages. Blood
Where's
of the
it?
old god.
Kill the blood.
It's on it.
Fuck.
CC Louis.
2 stacks is okay.
So one
Push the
ahead.
boss now.
Yep, push the boss now. Blood, after you've interrupted, go back onto the boss for a few seconds. That's what I've been doing.
Yes.
Don't
No,
blow
we
us
got
until the
plenty of
first
time.
tentacle is down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Note to self, don't press release.
Fire
Fire
elemental.
Soulstones don't run out. Just in know.
Yeah.
XC, I want you at the mages.
Adds up. Just push it.
Yeah, second phase.
Nice.
Yes, it's
DPS looks
pushed.
good.
Don't bloodlust yet. Don't yet.
Kill tentacle.
Get the ads
Totem is
first,
cooldown.
guys.
Interrupt the ads.
I'm using more stomp.
Ads are
Make
down.
sure you dispel people.
Ah, Valther gets Owls.
I have Soulstone.
Oh, okay.
Getting
Heal.
Walter.
Bloodlust or what?
Bloodlust now.
Yeah.
Pop pots, pop pots.
Yes, almost berserk time. Don't puke in the raid.
Res for Talena. Thank you.
Don't puke away from the raid, guys. Puke
Check
away
where you're
from the
puking.
raid. Go stand outside or something. If you need to puke. Ads, silence them. Blood Elf, run in, please.
Use health stones if you're low.
Do we need to trank? Do I need to trank?
Not
I
yet.
have trank.
We have an innovate up for Wazzy.
Tranking now.
10 sec.
Thank you.
More damage incoming to the raid now.
Drinking.
Okay, popping trunk.
I'm healing as well. Tranking.
Come on, guys.
Ads
on, guys.
incoming. Ads incoming. Silence them, it's important.
Ignore that.
No.
Anyone
Hey,
got
on
more
the side.
stomp?
Yeah, it's a kill, it's a kill.
2%.
Yeah! Good job.
Yes.
Nice.
Focus.
Ah, sweet.
Just in case.
Yeah!
Hotfix some shit, I don't know.
Sinastra to
Well done, guys.
I fucking love you guys.
Yes!
Yes!
Sinastra tomorrow.
Party rock is in the house tonight.
Hey, we still
Yes,
need to
I'm
choose
seeing
the
now.
song.
Everybody just have a good time.
Oh,
And
I
we
died.
gonna
Oh,
make
don't
you
die in the fire
lose
here.
your
I
mind.
did. I was about to write a message.
Don't die in the fire, people.
Yeah, we did it. That's good. See, that's why sometimes you do have these last tries and shit. And
Fellow, healthy.
happy days.
Rest me, please. John,
That
Vax,
kill
anyone?
was clean as well.
Yeah, you were
Yeah,
quick,
clean
man.
kill.
What the hell?
Oh, yes.
Want to buy rest?
My heart. Ah.
My hands.
Nice
Yeah.
kill.
I literally beat myself.
Yeah, it's a good thing that the actually
Want to buy
spawn
res?
was a big one first. Because the small ones are very annoying if you don't do anything about them. They just wipe the raid. Well done, guys.
Oh,
Well done.
2
I
shadows.
guess the healer wants Fall of Mortality. I hope they still have DKP for it.
Where the fuck's the loot?
It's downstairs.
Down.
You need to jump down.
I think you have to go.
Where's my rest? Someone go to the lava and rest.
No.
Please.
Hey Sam, I'm turning a
Wazzy.
I'm turning a decline to accept for tomorrow.
I'm drooling over the trinket. Shut up, Mojin.
Who got the most
No.
DP for?
I'm looking
You've already
right
got
now.
The normal one, yeah.
Time
Right?
to update the
Yeah,
website.
I got it.
Let's see.
Screenshot phase.